As we discussed in session 1 and session 2, how are we going to have our students involved? It's one of our biggest concerns as a university and for the students. And how students expect and challenges for sustainable education and management. And today we would like our students to discuss. And how can we continue activity, sustainable activity with the student and the university? And that's how I come up with this title. I'm a professor from Toho University, Ayano Takeuchi. Nice to meet you. It's been 4 years since I joined Toho University. By my first year at the Toho University, I was very surprised that Toho University does not ask for the environmental report. I've been studying environment, so I realized that this is actually not unique about Toho University, but it's just a normal thing for Japanese university. So that's why I started the organization called Toho Ecologian. So we're going to support the students' voluntary activities, and this is an organization supported by the university faculties and also the other collaborators. We also face some concerns. We do have medical students at our university, and conserving energy is tied to the idea of being patient, giving up on something. But however, now that Toho University is the university with the medicine and also the medical students, so how can we achieve and get the support from a university? But of course we face a lot of issues, and we also see a lot of challenges as the supporter too. So today, just like any other example, like ICU and Sophia University, it seems like a lot of students face the challenges as well. So Sophia University just started their organization. It seems like there were some other organizations before as well, but now that they just recently founded the new activities called SEA. And as you can see from the chart, there's nothing on the Sophia University chart. So I spoke with the students and I asked them for their challenges. But it was a kind of like a last-minute decision for Sophia University to join this group, so that's why there's nothing written on the chart yet. I'm looking forward to hearing what they have to say about the situation. And I would like to take this opportunity for everyone to learn from other universities and what are the other schools that they change, that face as the challenges. As for the ICU, they have their They wish to collaborate with the university, but they're still having a hard time doing that. And on the other hand, Chiba University of what was the name? Chiba University of Commerce was mainly led by the university. So how can we have the students involved and have the student lead the activities? And for Toho University, it will be difficult to collaborate with other groups. And also finally, the Chiba University, as Okayama sensei mentioned, the system is very well established and the students are actively involved in this activity. And the university has already made the system. And they're doing voluntary work as an NPO. So from all the university I spoke with, I think Chiba University has the most established system. And I would like the Chiba University to be kind of like a role model, and after sharing all their concerns, but show us like what they can do, and provide us like some hints and tips on how to run the organization. So today we have 5 panelists. It's a discussion. It will be done by Daito-san, but it's going to be run by Kawasaki-san. So this is the outlook of today's session. So we're going to start with Sophia, ICU, Chiba University of Commerce, Toho, Chiba University, and then we're going to move on to panel discussion.